So yun guys, ito yung mga stock natin ng mga poging watches ngayong March 17, 2026. Lahat sila pre-owned but mga pogi nga. Guys, meron ako ditong Tissot, 20k lang yung asking natin. And yung mga dress watch natin na Seiko guys, yung mga ganito, around 4,600 to 4,700 lang yung range niya. So yung mga blue dial lang medyo mataas. Lahat sila is pristine condition and solid na solid. Ito, 8.5 tayo dito. This one is Sea Urchin na Sports. This one, 4.8 naman tayo sa blue dial na to. 38mm guys. And ito is 4.8 din tayo sa Explorer na to guys. So this one naman is a military na field watch. So 6.5 tayo dyan, negotiable. So ito 4.6 to 4.7 lang din. And we have this one, 4.5, negotiable tayo, open back case yan guys. And meron tayong mga divers din. So this one is 10k na lang, negotiable din. This is 4.5 or 4.6 negotiable. This is 4.5 din or 4.6 negotiable. Andun yung price range lang yan guys. Yan mga. Ito 4.9 tayo dito. This one is a blue dial na parang baby serve din. And this one is 10k. Gen 1 na monster to guys. Divers din. And we have nag-iisang superior 5.5 tayo negotiable. And meron tayo ditong napakagandang tank watch 5.5 lang. So follow nyo lang ang Rahel PH guys. Lahat ng watches natin is mga pogi. Sockmed natin is Rahel PH. Orange Shop, meron din tayo doon. Posted na rin to lahat and gamit kayo ng voucher. Bye bye guys. Peace out.